Haley, the honeybee, says you never know what you're going to find on the farm at Flinchpaws. They started combining soybeans here at Flinchpaws, and soybeans grow on a stalk just like this. Something kind of like green beans might grow on. And Haley says if you look close, you can see all the different pods that grow on there. Let's open one up. Looks like soybeans to me in that pod. That's a combine that is combining the soybeans. It's a giant machine with that big reel in the front that cuts the stalk off right at the ground level. It then thrashes up the stalk, pulls off the pods, and it shucks the soybeans out of the pods at the same time. The pods then and the stalk go into the back of the machine and come out the top back, while the beans get stored in the top.